How to make a Snapchat account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make a Snapchat account, open up the Snapchat application. By the way, if you have an account you can log in, but to make a new account, come here, or maybe just go to the switch account button and then you'll find the sign up button here. Once you sign up, you can allow some contact access if you want. Otherwise, you can just enter your first name and last name, then tap on continue. Just choose a birthday, but just make sure that you're over 18 years of age in here. Then just enter a username. Make sure to enter your username very carefully because this is how people is going to be able to find you. Then tap on continue, set a password, and you're done. Your Snapchat account will get successfully created. This way you can go ahead and then basically make a Snapchat account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.